Here you can see how I placed the glass fiber layer after layer. The results are really good, but it's really time-consuming job, but that's how it is, and that's what the boat life is. Everything that you do takes way much more time than you're expecting. Still working with the hatch. As I found out, this is taking way much more time than I was expecting. This is how it looks right now. A little bit rough, right? Yeah, I know. But it's hard to believe that this is gonna look nice, but it will look nice. This will look really nice. Now I finally get the level that I need. Now it's just smooth it out, make the edges look nice, and yeah, just smooth it out. And here you can already see how I'm placing the hatch, which means that I'm done with gel coat painting and placing the filler. Alright everybody wants to be Kung Fu Fighter. Alright, look at this. This is my hatch. I'm so proud. I've never done this before, but I think it looks really good. It's a lovely day. My son is helping me out with tape. Say hello.
Hello.
Taking off the tape, and because this is the place where the sun is going, and I don't want to have tape for too long time. And then I have another helper who helps me out. So another thing what I'm doing is I want to prepare the side and another side to be ready to paint, and in order to do that I have to make this surface smooth and nice as possible. And there is a couple ways how to do that. I discovered that there is holes and well, not actual holes, but like scratches and some marks on the boat. So yeah, and then I have to, well, it's like a small cracks. So I was like looking for options where I can do it. How can I make it smooth and nice and cover up all the small cracks on the boat? And I found out one solution was placing a fairing component, and another was placing a gel coat. So I thought a gel coat is a really good option. If I place 2 layers of gel coat and I sand after that, it becomes really smooth and nice, and it covers up all the holes, the small ones I mean. Then I make small circles with the place, like you can see here. So this is how I mark bigger issues, so actual like deeper marks, which is like a deeper holes, which goes a little bit deeper inside. So then I place fairing component on that, and then I'm gonna fair this one off and see how it looks after that, and if it's looking great as I'm supposed to be, then it's ready for the primer. As you can see, there is a couple places around here. So yeah, and then it's ready for primer, and after primer it's ready to the final painting job. So it's ready to paint after primer. So primer, paint and it's ready. I'm really looking forward for that, because it takes a lot of energy and a lot of time to do anything to the boat, because it always turns out a bigger job than you're expecting. It's like doing like a construction for your home. You think, okay, we're gonna change doors, and then you just realize that it's way much bigger project at the end. You have to put the lists, you have to paint, you have to put the moldings around, you have to paint it, you have to, you know, all kind of things that goes along with it. And it just takes time and time and time. And as you know, time is the thing that you can't really buy. Yeah, I'm gonna start with putting the second layer of gel coat on this side. And then I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Now I'm finished placing the second layer of gel coat, and it looks good so far. It's just a gel coat has a you have to place a really thick layer, and so the roller which I choose is the one that is really takes a lot of paint inside. So that's what I found out as the best option for me. Maybe have something other, or some other ways how you're doing that. Yeah, the only thing that it's like a rough surface. If you look here, you can actually see how rough surface it is, and yeah, and this is what you have to take off to smooth it out, because when you fare this one off, as good as you fare off, as good as the paint will look. So you want to do that as good as possible. I'm gonna use a spray gun to paint the hull, and on the top of the boat, on the top, I'm gonna use a roller. I think it's gonna be easier, since when you use a spray gun you have to tape and put the plastic everywhere around. But this side, these sides and this outside side of the boat, I really would like to use a spray, and I've been working with the spray before, so I'm really looking forward for this one, and I hope it's gonna be a good result, better than with the roller, I think. So it should be better, so let's see.